Doer's Way and give our viewers your top design tip?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Rachel. I'm the lead graphic designer here at the Doer's Way. I work mainly in the product department where we create all of the beautiful boxes and workbooks and name tags, event materials, worksheets for courses, pretty much anything visual, you name it, I'm designing it. So most of my day is spent bringing together the visual aspects of the product department. So I look at a lot of bright pink and bright blue throughout my day, and I spend a lot of time in Illustrator and InDesign. But I wanted to share a super quick tip with you, because even if you're new to design, or you don't know where to start, or you keep on trying to create a visually appealing brand, but it's just never quite working, let me tell you that once you've mastered this program, you're going to be a design whiz in no time, and your viewers are just going to love absorbing your design content. So right after this video, I'd love you to head straight to the App Store and download the free CANVA app. And I always recommend CANVA as the place to start for quick and easy designs, because basically on CANVA you can access a ton of beautiful free templates for things like social media posts, documents, infographics, presentations, posters. There's so much on there, you're just gonna love it. And all you need to do is simply add in your brand colors, your fonts, your text, and download, and it's really that easy. They even have a whole library of amazing stock images and graphics that you can use to break up your designs and add visual interest and add a bit of your personality as well. So as you can tell, I get pretty excited about beautiful visual designs, and Canva makes it super easy for anyone to design like a pro. And if you didn't already know about Canva, I know that you're going to absolutely love getting your creative juices flowing as you jump into design your first visual elements. So that's enough from me. What are you waiting for? Go and download that free app right now, and let's get designing some beautiful visual elements for your business.